All right, so I'm headed to Benton, Kentucky for a Major League Fishing high school event. Really excited to go out there and have some seminars and talk to the future of our sport. But before I do, I've stopped here. Can anybody tell me where that's at? It's Missile Baits in Salem. And I'm gonna swing in here real quick, unannounced, and see if I can get my eyes and share with you the new hotness coming out at ICast. Let's see if we can check it out. Man front door, Melanie, she's letting me in. I'm gonna go check it out. Alex gonna show me the goods. Let's see what we got. Man, new hotness coming at y'all. Hey. Crazy.